In this video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat photo and video not sending problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. You can change Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Snapchat app's latest version. From here, you make sure your Snapchat apps is updated. If your Snapchat apps is not updated, then update your Snapchat apps. It helps to fix Snapchat photo and video not sending problem. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Snapchat application. Tap on storage. Then tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Clear cache data. It helps to fix Snapchat photo and video not sending problem. Step 4. Again tap on apps permission. Allowed all apps permission. Your Snapchat application all permission allowed. Then it helps to fix Snapchat photos and video not sending problem. Step 5. Restart your device. Step 6. Again open your Snapchat application. Tap on message icon. Select any Snapchat friend. Send photos or videos. Follow all of the steps how to fix Snapchat photo or video not sending problem. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel.